How to change the oil in your car. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to change the oil in your car. Regular oil changes are essential to keep your car's engine running smoothly and prevent costly repairs down the line. With a few simple tools and some basic knowledge, you can change the oil in your car yourself and save money on maintenance costs. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your tools and supplies to change the oil in your car. You will need the following tools and supplies: a wrench or socket set, a new oil filter, a container to catch the old oil, a funnel, new oil that meets your car's specifications, gloves and safety glasses. Step 2. Warm up the engine before you begin. Start your car and let it run for a few minutes to warm up the engine. This will help the oil flow more easily when you drain it. Step 3. Locate the oil drain plug next. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of your car's oil pan. It's usually a bolt or plug with a square or hexagonal head. Step 4. Drain the old oil. Position your container under the oil drain plug. Then use your wrench or socket set to loosen the plug and remove it by hand. Allow the old oil to drain completely into the container. Step 5. Replace the oil filter while the old oil is draining. Locate the oil filter on your car. It's usually a cylindrical canister located near the engine. Use your wrench or filter wrench to remove the old oil filter, being careful not to spill any oil. Wipe the filter mounting surface clean, then install the new oil filter, following the instructions on the packaging. Step 6. Remember to replace the oil drain plug and tighten it securely. Then, use a funnel to add the new oil to your engine, pouring it slowly and checking the dipstick frequently to ensure you don't overfill. Step 7. Check the oil level. Finally, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine and check the oil level with the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary, then replace the dipstick and close the hood. Congratulations, you've successfully changed the oil in your car. With regular oil changes, your car's engine will run smoothly and last longer. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and be sure to subscribe for more DIY car maintenance tips.